Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your Instagram watch history. So it's pretty much for like every reel there is. It doesn't work for stories. Obviously, it's not like a reel. It's not a video, okay? But it does work for all videos, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But basically, you can view your watch history and even delete it if you'd like to not have people know your watch history. I don't know. But this is how you can view your watch history on Instagram. So let's get started with the video. Before I start, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm sorry, I have to. But you're going to go to your profile page on the bottom right corner of your screen. And then you are going to select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen as well. And you're going to see that there is a Your Activity tab here, which you're going to press over here. You can, I think, view like past interactions. I'm actually not sure, but if you scroll down here, how you use Instagram, you can view watch history, account history, and recent searches. So going to select watch history here. You can view from newest to oldest. I just have a lot of food. I don't really use this account. It's like my voiceover account, which I rarely post videos there anymore because I don't know, like I feel like talking to myself in a weird way. I don't know. I don't want my mother to think I'm weird or crazy or something like that. But I am weird. I'm just not crazy, I think. But anyways, this is how you can view like your watch history. If you want to see what your partner is watching on Instagram, you can do that. I suggest you not to do that though because you're going to get hurt. But you can sort by newest to oldest, oldest to newest, all dates, all authors here. I think you can search it up. I'm not going to search that up. Anyways, you can delete it. For instance, you don't want somebody to see that you are looking for a place to eat all you can eat sushi, for instance. All right, okay, select it, and you're just going to select the ones you want to remove, or you can select everything, but you do have to do it one by one, which is a little bit annoying. But select it and then press remove, and then remove reel from watch history, press remove, and that is it. That's pretty much it really. But in other accounts, I still just watch a lot of food because I'm a big, no, I'm just kidding. I just like eating food. So I don't know why that's necessary for me to tell you guys that. But anyways, that's how you can view your watch history on Instagram. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It's going to mean a lot to me if you guys do that. And also comment in the comment section down below, like what other videos you want me to make, you know? Like, do you guys have any ideas? Are you interested in me doing something else other than tutorials and stuff like that? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.